we're going to try to teach Siggy, our Great Dane, how to play 3-cup Monty. This should be interesting. Where's that? Where's that, Sig? Which cup? Is it there? Oop, there it is. Good job. Round 1. We'll try again. Okay. See? Come on. If you're watching at home, see if you can find the cup. Where's that? Which one? Which one, Zig? Yeah? Good girl. Try again. Keep playing. Alright, ready? Here we go. In the middle. Watch right here, Zig. In the middle. Watch the middle. Where's it at? Where's it at, Sig? Which cup? That cup? No. This cup? Oh, there it is. Come on, Sig. Which cup? This is around. Come on, try. Which cup, Sig? Pick a cup. Siggy. Which cup? Sig, over here? No. Sig, over here? Oh, there it is. Get it, Sig. Try one more. See if she's getting this down. Sniff. Which one? Pick one. Pick a cup, Sig. There? Nope. There? Nope. Sig. There. Sig, check this out. Ready? Boop! There it is. Good girl, Sig. Think she's getting the hang of it. Sniff. Alright. Just come on. Over here. Round and around we go. People, you at home, which cup is it under? Which cup, Sig? Sig, pick a cup. This cup? Nope. This cup? Maybe. There you go. Good job, Sig. Ready? Watch. Where's it at? Sig. Where's that? Which cup? Which cup, Sig? Okay. I think Siggy's getting tired and full. Stay tuned. We will play another game another day. Bye for now.